Hello, everyone. As 2024 comes to an end, I want to take a moment to look back at everything we've done this year and talk about what we hope to do next year. This year has been full of hard work, challenges, and growth. We worked as a team to reach our goals, and we didn't give up, even when things got tough. Along the way, we made mistakes, but we learned from them and became stronger because of it. We also took the time to help others, improve ourselves, and finish important projects. Every little thing we did this year mattered. I am truly proud of what we've achieved in 2024, and I hope you are too. Now, as we get ready for 2025, it's time to think about the future. A new year means new opportunities, new goals, and new challenges. In 2025, I want us to focus on three simple but powerful things. 1. Growth. Let's focus on learning new things and trying out different ideas. This could mean reading more books, picking up a new skill, or finding ways to improve at work or in life. When we keep learning and growing, we become better people. And when we grow as individuals, our team or community also becomes stronger and better. 2. Connection. Let's make an effort to spend more quality time with the people we care about. This could mean talking more with our family, meeting up with friends, or working better with our colleagues. Building strong and meaningful relationships makes life happier and more fulfilling. When we feel connected to others, we support each other and make each other's lives better. 3. Action. It's not enough to just have good ideas or plans. We need to act on them. Let's take everything we've learned this year and put it to use. We can set clear goals for ourselves, break them into smaller steps, and work hard to achieve them. By taking action, we can turn our dreams into reality and make a real difference in our lives and the world around us. 2025 is a fresh start for all of us. It's a chance to dream big and do even better than we did this year. I know we can achieve amazing things if we stay hopeful, brave, and determined. Thank you for everything you've done this year. Your hard work and support mean so much. Let's make 2025 a year to remember. Happy New Year to you all. Let's make it great.